Jumpstart is parametric earthquake insurance offered by Neptune. It is available for residential and commercial properties in the states of California, Oregon, and Washington. So, what is parametric insurance? Parametric insurance is a payout when a defined event occurs, rather than reimbursing the exact amount of a loss like traditional insurance. There's no paperwork or adjusters needed for a payout, and the customer receives the funds in a lump sum. The payout for Jumpstart is the limit selected for the policy. It's important to note that Jumpstart is not a replacement for traditional earthquake insurance. It does not meet the California state requirement to offer indemnity earthquake insurance at the time of homeowners insurance. Jumpstart should be seen as an additional insurance option when discussing homeowners policies. It can be offered at any time, not only during the homeowners insurance discussion. With Jumpstart Parametric earthquake insurance, a payout occurs when the peak ground velocity reaches a defined threshold at the insured location. In Washington and Oregon, that's 20 centimeters per second. In California, it's 30 centimeters per second. The measurement is provided by the United States Geological Survey, a federal agency. We use third-party data because it is objective and transparent. You probably hear about an earthquake's magnitude more often than ground velocity. We use ground velocity because it is a clearer indicator of movement at the surface compared to magnitude. For example, there could be a high-magnitude earthquake, but it is so deep in the earth that it causes little to no movement on the Earth's surface. Jumpstart coverage is available up to $20,000 for residential and up to $50,000 for commercial. Coverage for a condo building, not just an individual unit, would fall under commercial. The low average cost per year makes Jumpstart an affordable option for customers to cover any expense caused by a qualifying earthquake. We made the payout process for Jumpstart quick and simple. Once a qualifying quake occurs, a text message is sent to the customer asking if they have any expenses as a result of the earthquake. The customer responds yes or no. If yes, the payout process is initiated. Since no adjusters are involved, the payout can happen in a matter of days, not weeks, right into their bank account. And with no documentation needed, the funds can be used however the customer needs, like temporary housing to make damage repairs or to pay the deductible on a traditional earthquake policy. When discussing earthquake insurance with your customer, adding Jumpstart into the conversation is easy. Here are a few things you can highlight. First, they'll receive the lump sum of the coverage they selected. No submitting paperwork or receipts to show what their expenses were to receive the funds. Second, after a quake, people need funds fast to help with recovery. Whether it's to pay for temporary housing or supplies to reduce further damage to the property, Jumpstart processes the payout quickly. Next is cost. Jumpstart is a fraction of the cost of a traditional policy. While a parametric policy is not meant to fully rebuild a property, the funds are there to cover expenses that need to be purchased or paid for quickly. Finally, Jumpstart is an excellent add-on for those with an indemnity earthquake policy. They typically have large deductibles, so Jumpstart can help cover some or all of the policy's deductible. Let's show you how easy it is to create a Jumpstart quote and bind the policy. Once in the Neptune portal, enter the address you would like to quote. You may be asked to confirm the property location. Once complete, click OK. Select parametric earthquake insurance and either residential or commercial. If you're looking to cover an entire condo building, select commercial. In this demo, we'll do residential. Next, select the coverage limit. You will see the price recalculate in the lower right corner of the screen. Remember, since this is a parametric policy, the customer will receive the full amount of the coverage selected. Complete all fields for the customer details and, if applicable, co-applicant. Click Bind. As the agent, sign any documentation. Your customer will receive an email to complete the payment. Alternatively, you can collect payment with a credit card or ACH. In this demo, we'll pay with a credit card. Click View Policy to see policy details. As you can see in this demo policy, the insured still needs to sign, which is completed through the email sent to them. You can view and download all policy documents in the Policy Documents section. That's it. Once the insured signs, the policy is good to go. Find more information about Jumpstart in the Agent Resource Center in the Agent portal.